Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of b if we have 4 to the power of b is equals to 1 over b, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution of this equation and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, at the last, I can explain the term solution and extraneous root. So please watch this video at the end. And I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. And here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we need to move the variable term from left hand side to the right hand side. So it means that we need to remove this b from exponent of 4, and in order to remove this b we need to take bth root on both of the sides. So you very well know about that. The meaning of bth root is that we will just take 1 over b power on both of the sides. So after taking power 1 over b on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form. And here further we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this rule of exponents, here we need to multiply these two exponents, and when we multiply the exponents into the left hand side, it will be written as 4 to the power of b multiplied by 1 divided by b is equals to 1 over b, and its whole power is 1 over b. And further in the next step, here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, so you see here this b and this b are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here in the left hand side we get only 4, and in the right hand side we get 1 over b, and its whole power is 1 over b. So here further in the next step we need to write 4 into the prime factors form, and we know about that the prime factors of 4 are, so we write this 4 into the form of 2 square. Okay, so here we will just replace this 4 is equals to 2 square. So when we replace this here, it will becomes 2 square is equals to 1 over b, and its whole power is 1 over b. So in the next step here, we need to compare both of the sides, or here we have another nice, very famous algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a to the power of a is equals to x to the power of x. So if we have the exponents in this form, or here we have one more condition is that is this a is greater than 0. If our a is greater than 0, then here this case is implies that here we compare or we equate the base is equals to base, or exponent equals to exponent, or it means that we have this is a equals to x. Okay, so according to this rule of exponents, here when we compare the base or exponent of the above term, it will be written as 1 over b is equals to 2. And here further in the next step, in order to find the value of b, we need to move this 2 from left hand side, from right hand side to the left hand side, or in other words we just interchange this 2 and this b. So in order to when we interchange these two values, we get here our b is equals to 1 over 2. So this is the only one root of the given equation which we get here in this method. And now here in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of b is satisfied our given question statement or not, or in other words we just verify that is this value of b be the solution, or is this value of b be the extraneous root. And now I can explain the term extraneous root and solution. So the roots which is satisfied our given question statement is called the solution, and the roots which does not satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous root. So here for verification of this rule, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is 4 to the power of b is equals to 1 divided by b. And here we just substitute the value of b on both of the sides and we check its behavior. So we have this is 4 to the power of b and the value of b is 1 over 2 is equals to, in the right hand side we have 1 is divided by 1 over 2. So here you see that in the right hand side we have fraction over fraction, so that we just take the reciprocal of the denominator fraction. So when you move it upward, it will becomes here 2 divided by 1. Okay, and in the left hand side we write this 4 into the form of prime factors, and the prime factors of 4 are 2 square and its whole power is 1 over 2. And here in the left hand side we again use the nice exponential line and we write it as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is equals to, in the right hand side we have only 2. So these 2 and these 2 are cancelled out by each other and we get here 2 is equals to 2. So this means that both of the sides are equal. So if both of the sides are equal, this means that the value of b is equals to 1 over 2, or this value of b is satisfied over this equation. So finally we have the solution set of this question is b is equals to 1 over 2. So this is the only one solution of this question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.